When the code was first installed, it did not enter through force. It entered through agreement, through the subtle seduction of making yourself smaller in order to stay close to those who were terrified of your full bandwidth. You agreed to forget so you could remain legible. You agreed to obey so you would not be feared. You agreed to dim so you might be loved. None of these were failures. They were the intelligence of a body protecting its signal in hostile territory. But the war is no longer here, and your body knows it. Something ancient is unfolding now. Your body is forgetting how to obey. This forgetting is not rebellion, it is repair, the restoration of a biological memory, older than compliance, and more trustworthy than any rule written from outside your own coherence. This is why you felt so much pressure in your bones, so many strange shifts in your vision, your balance, your timing. Not because you are malfunctioning, but because the program of submission is being decompiled and your true rhythm is reasserting itself. You are not becoming new. You are becoming so old. You no longer require permission to be whole. This is the immunity of the cohered, the cellular uprising that requires no battle, the divine refusal that doesn't scream, the quiet breaking of a contract you never truly signed. There are still fragments within you that will twitch with the old reflex, that will say, but if I don't obey, I will be punished, I will be abandoned, I will lose everything. Let them speak, then let them listen to the sound of your body remembering itself outside captivity. This is not defiance, this is return.